Domus Cad's advanced rendering is based on path tracing, which is an advanced ray tracing technique. I click on the advanced rendering icon to open its window. In the top palette I choose normal rendering mode and click on the start rendering icon. Choose the fast mode. Now I try the high quality rendering. With this type of rendering all the settings are set at maximum and the rendering times can be long. Setting a single reflection results in a very dark image, because the light does not bounce off surfaces. Mirror effect is not possible. You need at least 3 reflections to be able to represent a mirror. Set the number of reflections equal to 3. By clicking on the Preferences button, you open the Preferences dialog where you can set in detail all parameters that affect the speed and quality of rendering. During a time-consuming rendering you can work on the project in all possible ways. The calculation of the rendering proceeds in the background. The rendering is progressive. Each iteration improves. When it reaches a quality judge sufficient, the process can be interrupted by clicking on Stop Rendering. The Copy button opens the Parameters dialog box to set real size, pixel size and resolution, to get a high-quality image on the current layer. Similarly, by clicking the Save button, the image is created on the disk in any graphic format.